Should marijuana be legalized? Marijuana is dried flowers, stems, and leaves from a cannabis plant. It is usually green, gray, brown, or a combination of these colors. The Drug Policy Alliance, the DPA, believes it should be regulated like alcohol and tobacco. The DPA also believes it should be removed from the criminal justice system. Under the federal government, marijuana is illegal. The United States is allowing each individual state to make the decision whether they think they should legalize it in their state or not. Marijuana is legal for recreational use in 10 states and in Washington, D.C., and it is legal for medical use in 33 states and Washington, D.C. According to Kevin Murphy, the U.S.-based cannabis firm, Canada is now the world's largest market for legalized marijuana, resulting in Canada leading in the capital aspect of business. Also, Chris Miles, in the article titled "How Much Money Could America Make Off Legal Marijuana?" stated that once recreational weed became legal in Colorado, 24 pot shop owners said that they collectively made more than $1 million in one day of business. California received $345 million in taxes in 2018, and Washington received $376 million in taxes in 2018 due to legalizing marijuana. We should legalize marijuana because it would create jobs. Marijuana is one of the nation's largest cash crops. We need farmers to grow it, upkeep it, and harvest it. Then it needs to be tested in laboratories by scientists. We will need jobs that will transport the marijuana from the laboratories to the processing plants. Once it gets to the processing plants, it will need to be processed, and then we'll need to ship it to retailers so they can sell it. We also should legalize marijuana because it would save money. The law enforcement would not be worried about marijuana and could focus on public safety. Kevin Murphy said that the United States is the world's leader in overdoses of opiates. With the legalization of marijuana, we can focus on more. Also, it would save money because it would reduce the size of corrections, and court costs. We would be able to free marijuana prisoners for real prisoners. Colorado taxes the grower 15%, the retailer 15%, and the customer 15%. In 2018, Colorado received $45 million from alcohol, and in the same year, 2018, Colorado received $270 million from marijuana. According to the CPR, the Colorado Public Radio, retail excise tax was used to build new schools, renovate buildings that exist now, and maintenance. All cannabis sales are subject to local taxes. The CPR also states that some people who live in Denver pay an extra tax for marijuana to fund the regional transport district. Also in Aurora, taxes fund the Aurora Day Center, which is a homeless area for homeless people. Due to the legalization of marijuana, Pueblo, Colorado has also started awarding cannabis-funded scholarships for students wanting to go to school. We should also legalize marijuana because it would promote customer safety. The people already using marijuana will have more information about it. They can see what all it contains, make sure it is purely marijuana and that is not laced with anything else, and then we can regulate it in amounts. In conclusion, people all over the world smoke marijuana, so why not legalize it? Back in 1920, marijuana was legal. Tobacco Farmers United hired lobbyists to plead their case that tobacco was a much better plant and made them think that marijuana was detrimental to their health. Scientists are researching elements in THC because they found a possible link that will slow down the growth and kill cancer cells. Upon legalizing marijuana, they can conduct more research, which could possibly lead to possible cancer-killing drugs. Thank you.